Cat litter better be done. It's not done. Leland, come here. I told him to do this cat litter. Leland, come here. Come here. Okay, Leland. What did I tell you to do today? I told you to clean the cat litter.
I don't want to.
No. Get in the bathroom and clean the cat litter.
Daddy, I can't.
Come on, now. Leland, come on. Now. Now, Leland. Cat needs a place to poop. No, come on.
No.
Alright, come on. I want that cat litter cleaned now.
You want me to do the cat litter?
Yes, I want you to clean the freaking cat litter. Okay, you need to grab a garbage bag first. Okay, be careful of that. Look how disgusting that is. You're supposed to clean that out once a week. Leland! Hey! What the? Leland! Are you kidding me? Why did you do that? Why the did you do that? Get back in there. You're gonna clean that up now. Go clean that up.
Nope.
Leland, go clean that up.
No. Fine, you want me to clean it up?
Yes, and you need to grab a garbage bag. Leland, grab a garbage bag. Leland, grab a freaking garbage bag. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Why? What? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Get back in here. Why did you dump it all over the floor? God. I can't take this anymore. Why did you do that? You are grounded. You hear me? Get to your room. Get to your room. Leland! Leland! No, there's no TV for you. Go get in your room. If you can't properly clean, change out a cat litter, you just... Why? I don't understand. Why did you make things worse?
I did it last time.
Come on, get down. No. Oh. Get to your room. Get to your room. Stop hitting me. Get to your room. Get to your room. Get to your room. Get to your room. Come on. Get to your room. Tired of this crap. You're gonna clean that. You're gonna clean that cat litter. Now I want you to go grab a garbage bag and you're gonna clean that cat litter. You dumped it all over the floor in the bathroom. That's disgusting. Come on. Come on. Leland. Get in here and clean this cat litter. Now.
That's boss me.
Yes, I am. I'm your dad. Now, come on. Get in here and clean this cat litter.
You're my uncle.
I am not your uncle. I'm your dad.
No, you're my uncle.
Now, get in here.
I'm my own dad.
God. Look at this. Unbelievable, Leland. Unbelievable.